Alright everybody, today we're going to play our new segment, and I'm calling this What's in the Box. This is an unboxing video and showcasing the new microphones that I just recently got. Let's unbox this. I really like some of the features about it because it had a dual microphone, and once again, if I feel everything's pretty good, I will go ahead and do a full-on video on everything. So you have a nice little bag that comes with it to store your microphones. You have a charging cable for the actual devices. You have a wind, I forget what they call it, a wind muff or something like that. Something that you put on the microphones to cancel out wind noises. Bother that. And then interesting little feature about this, you have a this can go on quite a few different types of phones. This is for Apple, this is port C, and this is just your regular auxiliary plug-in. So this looks pretty interesting. So it's pretty versatile that you can, you're not just stuck on one type of phone. And we're going to pause this for a second, and I'm going to get rid of some of the stuff, and we're going to show you a little bit better what it's going to look like. And like I said, once it's all set up, it's all ready to go. I put this one with a wind sock on it there. All you do is simply take off the existing cover, and then you put on the anti-wind thing. So if you ever listen to a video where all you heard is the wind as they're speaking, this is supposed to help offset the wind. Comes with, like I said, its own little charging cord, very long one, right? And you can see that it just plugs in to here, and also on the back side of this one as well, fully charge these up. So this is, like I said, this is pretty neat. Can't wait to start trying it out, and I'll give you updates as I go. If you enjoyed watching these videos, make sure you smash that like button. And as always, if you could subscribe, it would really help the channel out quite a bit. I love doing these videos, and I hope you enjoy watching them. And we'll see you on the next one.